Good morning, folks. This is Sott at Fife RV Center down here in beautiful Fife, Washington. Today I'm going to be showing you the 2026 Forester by Forest River. First off, it's on the Ford V8 engine, so it's very fuel efficient, higher torque and higher horsepower than its predecessor. This is a rear-wheel drive model, of course. You got the full body paint, which is great for all types of weather out there. This unit has backup camera, side camera, you name it. It has all the safety features on it as well. So let's go and take a look at some of the features it has here. This unit does have the exterior TV, nice big awning on the outside with LED lights as well. So it's all powered awning on here. 6-gallon hot water tank. It's the DSI, so you can use electric and propane to power that. Storage here, and then this is where you put your propane. Very easy to get to. It does have the big furnace as well. More storage right here, and it does have the black tank flush as well. This unit does feature a lot of storage space. Look at that. Pass-through storage with the rotor cast the bottom there. Here's, you got one slide for the bed, quick connect for the barbecuing on the outside, pitch rated to 12 to 5,000 pounds for you, and the other side of storage here, right? And it's all magnetized as well, so you don't have to bounce anything up there. You have plastic storage, nice, so that way you have it in wet, it doesn't mold or mildew. And this is the wet bay area for you. You got your 30 amp connection. You got your cable connection. Fuel fill. Slide system right here with additional storage right on the outside and some more down below as well. So amazing amount of storage for this unit. Even the slide has toppers on it as well to keep from debris from going in, and also extra precaution for rain also. This is on the E450 chassis, so it is rated to tow up to 7,500 pounds. So amazing vehicle. Let's go on the inside. Before we head inside, notice that there's a touch screen and also nice step in and out with the battery case right down below. This unit does come with the auto leveling system right here. Battery disconnect, light controls are right here. Outside lights, okay. Heat vent. What a great layout this is here. You got the theater seating. Big U-shaped dinette that can hold quite a bit of people. Seat belts there, and some more seat belts on the dinette also. Huge kitchen space. Pop-up power and also wireless charging as well. TV right across from the theater seating with some storage in the back. You got the cab over that holds quite a bit and sleeps 2 adults comfortably. Here's the cab area for the Ford. So this one does have the all the safety features that it comes with as well. Backup camera, side cameras, adaptive cruise control. Both seats do pivot around. And as you can see, it's all vinyl flooring. Look at that. Nice big sink. One big sink. Look at that. Gooseneck faucet. Just like a residential. You got 3 burners. Microwave, convection oven down below. 3-door fridge. The bathroom is split. So shower on one side, toilet on the other side. So it can be double use. So one person here, one person there. All the control panels right at your disposal right here. Thermostat control, generator control, power management right there. Tank information right there as well. All the lights are dimmable. Look at all the storage you get overhead. And let's go back inside here. Here's your queen size bed. It's a walk around bed. Has some storage on each side there. And right behind this area here, TV even has a little bit of storage as well if I can open it. That closet space there. Look at that. This unit does come with 2 AC, so it's very, very nice. So if you have any information or if you need further information on this, please give me a call down here in 5 RV Center. Again, my name is Sott. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.